really important for folks to, seriously consider having their wisdom teeth removed at a young age, primarily in the teen years, maybe the early 20s at the latest, to try to avoid problems later on in life. It's most beneficial because it's significantly easier to have the procedure done when folks are young and healthy. Unfortunately, as we age, things become more difficult. Our ability to heal is more difficult and it slows down. And so it just is beneficial from an overall health standpoint. Now, the vast majority of the time, we do our wisdom tooth procedures with some very nice, deep intravenous sedation. The vast majority of the time, folks have no memory of the procedure being done. The day of the procedure, most people go home and they just kind of relax. A lot of people will sleep the majority of that day. Probably a couple of days of some pretty soft, types of foods. Does not just need to be liquid things, but things that don't take a great deal of chewing. And I just, like to let everybody know that, if you have any questions regarding the extraction of wisdom teeth or, dental implants, it's very easy to visit our website. You need me to contact you, just leave me a message.